vehicle that was coming from Abuja, other going to Osun State, was ambushed along the land. Were 9 in number that was kidnapped, and we started that journey. The journey was, I was bleeding seriously. When we trekked, the incident happened around 1:44 in the afternoon. It was 10 p.m. before we stopped trekking in the bush. We were just trekking without no destination. It was after the second day that they gave us access to our food. So I was the only one that have food, because my phone and my laptop iPad was in my travel bag at the front of the car. So they never knew. They went through my profile. So they just called me, "You, we know you are the leaders of our ferry. You will see your ID card. You go and stay there. You are a special person." All of you, they just decided to put us separately. And after they asked me to call my family, the first person I called, it was my wife. I told my wife, and I instructed the National Secretary of our ferry that he should release a press statement that I was kidnapped on my way to Abuja and I sustained bullet injury. That was how we started that journey for 12 days. No food, no medical care. Every day we were subjected to torturing. In fact, because I just have to call because medically I'm not fine. I was released on the 1st of March. My phone was being tracked. The funny part of this scenario is that when we were being kidnapped, it was 3 minutes to minutes checking point. When the first ransom was paid by a young man in Ibadan, they paid the ransom very close to minutes checking point. When the second ransom was paid by a lady in Kwara State, the money was paid, if you know Yakaba very well, if you're going to Abuja, at the back of a woman that is selling food. The ransom was paid there. The third ransom was paid opposite Nigeria prison service. There are 5 camps that they have in our land. And they told me in Ondo, they have 26. I will continue to be saying that 26 camps of the terrorists in Ondo State and other part of Southwest making 53 camps. If somebody can have 55 camps in a particular region, tell me.
Shebi Unaheram, this man is saying that Fulani herdsmen have camps in different parts of Yoruba land. And you can rest assured they have camps in different states in Nigeria. This is how they are starting. You know, this is a very well thought out operation that these Fulani people are carrying out against the rest of Nigeria. And like I said before, the rest of Nigeria have not still understood what is going on, which is that you are under a war. This is a warfare, modern day warfare, a subtle one. You don't even know that you are in a war. You people just wake up every single day, go about your business. The only time people start understanding one or two things is when you hear that people were kidnapped, oh, there was a shooting on the road and all that kind of stuff. We are under siege by these evil Fulani terrorists. And believe me, for them to carry out all the operations they are doing, they are being sponsored by those in power. There are people that are paying for their ammunitions. There are people that paid for their training. They must have trained them in Niger or Chad or in a secret place somewhere in the north, maybe outside of Nigeria. These are weapons used by the northern elites in Nigeria against the rest of Nigeria. Their plan is to depopulate Nigeria. Their plan is to Islamize Nigeria. Their plan is to cause artificial food shortage. I've been saying it before. There is a wider plan to what is going on in Nigeria by the New World Order. Their agent being Bill Gates. How many times has Bill Gates come to Nigeria this year? 2 times. Anytime he comes, they intensify their plans against the rest of Nigeria. For those that understand what I'm talking about, go and do your research. Because people don't read. People don't try to find things out. They just sit on social media and be following the video. Very dark man. Oh, what did the Burna Boy say? What did the Kubana Chief Priest say? Now, so una go day one day, una go wake up. You realize that your whole city has been taken over by Fulani. This is something serious, so I've been saying it. Why is it that Southeast governors are just pretending as if they don't know what is going on? Every single day, people are killed by Fulani terrorists in the farms, in the villages. They have sold out the people to Fulani. They are all part of this whole thing. They are being told what to do by their Fulani headmasters, and if they don't do it, they take them out. Look at what happened to Edo State governor. He ran to the north to appease his Fulani masters, and promising that they are going to fish out the people that buy those terrorists in Uromi. People need to wake up. Oh, defend yourself. The DSS man has said, defend yourself. Nobody needs to tell you to do that. I've been saying it. Let the men in every part of Nigeria, south, southeast, southwest, let the men rise up. Make everybody go and get their own boy. That same boy where Fulani get, make una go get am times 10. If na money, make everybody, let all of us, millions of us all over the world, contribute money. We need to fish these people out. Is Nigerian army trying to tell me they don't know about these camps that they have settled in Ondo and in different parts of Nigeria? Is Nigerian army trying to tell me they don't know of these things? They know about it. They are complicit to it. They are part of it. Whenever they are doing the attack, the security agencies are nowhere to be found. Look at what the man said. This paying of ransom and even his attack took place very close to security checkpoints. They know what is going on. They are even benefiting from it. Then they share money to them. And that's why they shut up and pretend like they don't know what is going on. People need to take the laws into their hands. Instead of you standing in your farm or staying in your community and you are being killed like a chicken, you better buy all of them before they buy you.